I don't care which direction. What about this direction?
Okay.
Yeah, here we go. So, okay. Oh. How long time you will stay in Berlin?
We've been
You
here
said,
since August 5th,
5th August.
and we leave the 27th.
Oh, okay.
We've been here a long time. I want to move here,
You want to move from New York
up to
to
Berlin.
stay forever?
Yes, and I have the legal right because of him,
Okay. Yes.
because he's Swiss citizen
Switzerland.
as well as an American. He could move here today, and I could get residency.
Okay, that's very good for you.
But certain Swiss people don't want to come back. He said he moved once from Europe to America, and that was genug.
Yes, but you asked me whether I was in New York before.
Yeah.
Never. But I think in next years I want to go.
So come.
Yes, because I'm very interested in. Always
there's a lot
I'm
to
watching
see, right?
movies
Yeah.
from New York, Walkers. Yeah?
Oh,
Yes.
was es in den Filmen ist falsch. Das ist eine Fantasie. Eine große
Are you
Fantasie.
filming now? Filming?
You can talk, of course.
Oh,
Yes, no problem. Oh.
So I think they're fixing this up because most of it is closed inside.
Yes, I don't know why.
Now
And
they're
then,
fixing it, yeah.
yeah.
The regional trains are not running here. Yeah, so
It's terrible. I don't bring too many clothes when I come here because I know what will happen. Neue Schuhe,
New shoes.
everything. I know what will happen. What part of
No problem. Talk.
what part of Berlin are you living in?
West side.
Where is that?
West side.
West
Yes. Before West side, East side.
Yeah.
But I was born in West side of Berlin.
near Westkreuz or in that
No,
area? No.
it's the southwest of Berlin. Maybe you know the area Steglitz.
Steglitz.
Steglitz, yeah.
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 Yes.
Yes, we've been there many times. Steglitz.
Yeah.
There's
The Walter Schreiber Platz we like.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. That's my subway station where I live.
Yeah.
Very close to Walter Schreiber Platz.
we went out to Dellendorf.
Dahlendorf.
Dallendorf.
Oh yes, it's a very nice area.
And we ended up taking a bus that took us to Steglitz.
Yeah.
Steglitz. And then we found there is a little synagogue behind the buildings.
A little
Behind-
what? Cinema?
synagogue. What's this synagogue? A Jewish temple.
Ah, yeah.
Jewish house of worship. There's a I actually walked into the office building.
Yeah.
And they let me look out through the window. And in the back, if you look, there's a little building that's behind everything. It's all alles ist geschlossen. And but it was still there.
Take a look at this car. Do you know this car?
It looks like one of the Russian cars.
Yeah.
No,
Trabi,
it's
right?
known. Trabi, yes, Trabi. This car is made by German Democratic Republic.
Yes.
Over 40 years, never changed design, never changed nothing. Still the same, no?
We actually saw somebody had one of these at home in New York, you know, and I don't know why they would want such a car, right?
Yeah.
You know, it's like
They must have rebuilt it because
Yeah.
it's beautiful. But have you ever heard of a movie called 1, 2, 3? with Jimmy Cagney. It's from 1962.
I don't know. Yes, with Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
Yes.
Coca-Cola, yes.
Yes.
So-
That
Yes,
is
of
so
course.
funny. That is so funny, right?
Yes.
They're driving
That's-
the Audi and it's falling apart. And there's a chase scene. And Jimmy Cagney is in an Americana car. He's in a Cadillac. And the guys after him are in a it falls apart at Brandenburg Gate.
Yeah.
Yes, I have this movie on CD, on MP4s, file.
Yeah.
I have that. Have you ever visited this exhibition Körperwelten?
No, what's that?
And
Have you seen it?
yes,
Oh, is that bodies?
and
Yes.
this with dead people
Yeah.
We have that at
cut it
in
in
New
pieces.
York.
I know. They have that in America too. The
Yeah.
same exhibit, but I never went. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit strange exhibition, huh?
Yeah.
But interesting.
We've never been to the.
No, I've been.
Oh,
Huh?
I've been up there once. Yeah.
well,
But it was a lot of money. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, so expensive. Yeah, you want to enter, you have
Plus,
to pay.
you know, we used to have the view from up there. You know, so it's, so why pay?
why pay for that? Yeah. How much is it now?
So what? I don't know, but I think it's something 40. I don't know.
Oh my
Or
God.
30, 40. Yeah.
wow.
It's more expensive than Tokyo Tower.
But that's because tourists they love it, right? They all go.
Yeah,
they
yeah,
make
okay.
money, right?
Oh,
For visitors, it's
Yeah.
tourists love to come to the top of the Empire State Building.
yeah, it's the most popular building in the
God.
world. I think.
Boring.
Really, it's boring.
No, it's nice
For-
if you
for
want to
me,
see the sights from up there.
I've been there. A friend came to visit, and he wanted to go up. I said, "All right." The building is very
I
old.
think it goes this way. It's a little bit too.
The building is very, very old.
Yeah, from 1906 or maybe more old.
No, no.
1930s, I think.
1930.
30 something. Yeah,
know
nothing
that-
is that old over there. You know?
It's the most oldest skyscraper, I think. Huh?
Yeah,
Yep.
a very old one. But I used to laugh at my mother and tell her, "You're older than the Empire State Building," and she'd say, "Yes, I know."
Yeah, these beers, nah? You can see everywhere in Berlin.
Yes,
Yep.
yes, the bears, yes.
The bear in Berlin.
So when you post your video, you're gonna cut off the speaking or what?
I can do if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Yes.
yeah, probably better. But I will check it out as always. This is the first time I have ever met anyone who does a video. I used to be a big fan of Japan Potato. I don't know if you know that one. And also Rec Lab. They don't make videos anymore. I don't see Japan Potato. Do you know him?
Yeah. No, no. I don't.
Japan Potato does what you do. He makes videos of Berlin and also through Japan.
What's his name?
The channel is called Japan Potato, as in kartoffel.
Japan Potato. I see. Yes,
Japan
yes, yes.
kartoffel.
Yeah.
And
He's Japanese.
I don't know. I never met him, but we've come here. Every time we come, we stay at least 3 weeks. One time we stayed 5,
Yeah.
and that's the time we came. We stayed 5 weeks. I said it'll either make or break. I'll either scream Nifida or I'll say Ich liebe. And
Yeah.
I ended up saying Ich liebe. So, and yes, we've been bowling many times.
What?
Bowling.
Bowling. Yeah.
but they never open.
See, this architecture here is all made from GDR.
Oh yeah.
It's still.
And I remember this was all closed when they were building the new subway. The new
Yeah.
U-Bahn.
U5 is under here, right?
Wasn't our first trip was in 08, and then we just kept coming back.
I was actually here in 1990.
The first time?
Yeah, when the wall was still up.
Very early time. Huh?
Yes.
Well, you probably weren't even born in 1990.
What? You were alive in 1990? Were you alive in 1990?
Where I live?
No,
No.
were you alive?
Were
in
you born
1990?
in 1990? When were you born? How old?
19. I was born not 1990. No, I was born in 1968.
Oh, okay.
68?
Oh, okay.
Yes, flower power time.
Wow. Okay, so you remember the wall, right? So
Yes, of course.
It's
Of
only
course.
4
So you were
years
in the
younger?
West?
Yes,
yeah, okay.
Yeah, in the West.
but you know, everybody in Berlin knows the wall.
Yeah.
But after some years, we never register it anymore. It was a part of Berlin, and we said, okay, that's a wall, and no more thinking about it.
Really?
But the problem is in the West, you didn't have to worry about it, right? You know, in the West, you're free, you know?
Yes,
In the East,
yes,
It's in the East you had a problem, right?
yes.
Yeah, because my mother kept in touch with somebody who lived in Dresden, you know, and they
Dresden?
couldn't, they couldn't go anywhere, right?
Nothing, no,
except
no.
maybe to some of the other Russian countries, you know. That's it. You know?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
yeah. And it was a problem too.
Yeah.
To change. Maybe you want to go from East Germany. You want to go to Czechoslovakia.
Yeah.
It was a problem. Not. Oh, you had to register before, and you say, oh no, you cannot go without a reason. No.
Yeah. Yeah. I had never even thought about coming to Germany until he took me. So the only place that I had been before that was I had been to England,
Yeah. London.
in London, but also in the south, in the countryside. Kind of
South of Germany.
No, south of England.
Ah, okay.
Nicht London, aber in the place called Pulborough, West Sussex.
Sussex. Oh yes, I have a friend in Sussex.
Ah,
Yes, Japanese. She is Japanese, but she's living since 40 years in London.
oh, very nice.
And last time she had birthday, so I asked her, and Mariko, how do you feel? Do you feel like Japanese or do you feel like British? She said to me, I feel like British. Oh, it's so funny, huh?
Oh, it isn't.
Oh, warm now, see? Should have left my sandals out.
Jeden Zeit, wenn wir sind kommen hier zu dieser Stadt.
Oh, there, is he there?
Is he there? No, it's a different one.
Right?
I always see in the Alexanderplatz the same tour guide. I always see him with his little group.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Not this one, but I see this one, and every time I say good morning, hello. And one time I had a personal tour, one-on-one tour. Let's see what language.
A personal guide.
Spanish. No, this was
Yeah, look, the Neptune fountain is all.
oh yeah, see, there's the
Yes.
fountain.
Yeah, that's this.
That's why I didn't even
That's the
think of
Neptune
it.
fountain, right? Yeah,
Because
that's
it's
why we
being
didn't think about it
repaired.
because
It's under repair.
it's under
Yeah,
repair, right?
repair.
Yeah. So,
Again, the only fountain I ever think of is that one because it's the only one I ever see. This one is completely being renovated,
Yeah, yeah.
so I didn't even enter my mind.
and I know that they're renovating this part here too. I know there's a Karl Marx statue in there or something.
Yes.
And that's also closed, right?
Was it closed?
Yeah, this whole thing
part is closed
Been
off.
closed for over a year already, I think. So yeah.
Okay.
Das ist geschlossen over there.
Yeah. Have you ever been
Yeah,
to
the
this
Nikolai
old city?
Quarter in-
Nikolai
yeah.
Quarter, yes.
Yeah, it's not old, evidently. It's all for the tourists.
Yeah, it's not really old.
It's
Yeah.
constructed, right?
It's made by German Democratic Republic,
So,
old style.
yeah, the lady who gave me the tour showed me a lot of interesting things right in Alexanderplatz.
Yes. Yeah, it's a lot to see, no? Which direction is this one?
It was
Close to Brandenburger Tor? Or
we ended up down there, but she spent with me the ganze Tag. We met at 9 Uhr morgen, and I don't know. Let's see.
we could. What about
Where do you want to go?
what about City West
Okay.
around Zoo?
The zoo?
Zoo around Zoologischer Garten,
Yeah. Yeah,
Kurfürstendamm
we actually walked around
Oh
there
yeah, we
just
know
the
the,
other day, right? Yeah, that's
the Kudamm.
oder
Kudamm.
Steglitz.
Steglitz. Let's go to Steglitz.
Let's go to Steglitz. Okay, I think we better for us we use
Bus?
no, not bus,
Tram?
S train.
Oh,
Yes.
Take the U5, right? So
oh wait a minute.
U9.